Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and drying each earbud. This prevents false contacts and corrosion. Once done, place the case on a stable surface and open the lid fully so magnets are disengaged. Make sure you can clearly see the left and right charge wells. If you spot debris, blow it out or use a soft brush. These initial checks let the earbuds seat correctly, so you avoid forcing them and ensure reliable charging when you continue. You align each earbud with its matching well, left to left, right to right, and lower it straight in. As you do this, feel for the magnetic pull. A subtle click indicates proper seating. Make sure the gold contacts touch the connectors. If you see a gap, lift and reseat at a slightly different angle. Move slowly rather than forcing. Correct alignment ensures both earbuds charge evenly and avoid intermittent contact that would interrupt pairing or battery detection. You close the lid firmly and watch the case LED or your device for confirmation. This tells you charging began. Give it 10 to 15 seconds so the indicators update and the earbuds initialize with the case. If a bud doesn't show charging, open the case again and reseat it, then clean both contact points with a dry cloth and try once more. If problems persist, reset the case per the manual. Clean contacts resolve most issues quickly, so start there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.